Peed on the little trash can. I'm so sorry.
Your cheeks hurt, don't they?
And I was like, there's one person who will push it. This will be you, and then you'll probably tell me that I damaged him. I damaged him because I didn't want him to touch the toilet bowl. The toilet bowl. And it went everywhere. That was fine. Okay, we'll just wipe that up. And then he went down, and I was like, oh my God, don't pee on yourself. And I was going down, and I'm like, just aim for the bowl. Aim for the bowl. It was a high stress peeing. I'm so sorry.